Bronco Space is a small student-run club at the California State Polytechnic University, Pomona. We're a curious group of scientists, engineers, mathematicians, and artists, among many other skill sets. We all came together wanting to take our curiosities to the next level. We wanted to get hands-on, not only just read about what other people are doing in the industry, have a tea party and say, hey, that's pretty cool. Not exactly.
3, 2, 1, ignition.
When we hear about news about SpaceX re-entering and landing rocket boosters right side up on land,
Their respective landing zones have started. Star boosters' landing legs are deployed.
And the Falcons have landed.
that inspires us. That makes us want to do it, and not because it's easy,
but because they are hard.
because we know that we're getting ourselves into a maze of challenges that we can use science to get out of. And when we get to that other side of that maze, it's the most exciting and rewarding thing ever.
Touchdown confirmed. Receiving.
We truly believe that this application of knowledge is the ultimate way of learning. And when you learn this way, you run into dead ends. You get stuck. Sometimes you accidentally blow shit up. But with every mistake comes the most organic opportunity to learn and adapt. It begs the question, if you're not making mistakes, are you truly doing anything new? This is the reason behind Bronco Space's many programs. It's a commitment to our university's Learn by Doing motto. And this is why we're doing Project Blade, one of many projects on Bronco Space's radar.